Hi there, I'm Aaron Blank, President and CEO of the Fearey Group, a full-service communications firm here in Seattle. I'm at Life Science Innovation Northwest. It's the 15th year of Life Science Innovation Northwest, hosted by the Washington Biotechnology and Biomedical Association. Right now I'm sitting next to Levi Anderson. Levi is the General Manager of LifeNet Health. LifeNet Health is a tissue procurement company. Well, actually, let you, Levi, tell us a little bit about LifeNet Health.
Great, thank you, Aaron. LifeNet Health is really a global healthcare organization dedicated primarily to fulfilling our mission of saving lives, restoring health, and giving hope. At our most basic level, we are a tissue and organ donation agency, and that means different things to different people. But here in the Northwest, we work with hospitals and different organizations to provide families and individuals the option of tissue donation. And again, there's various levels of understanding of that within the community. Organ donation is typically more widely understood. People know that there are certain organs in your body that can be transplanted into other patients that have that need. But tissue donation is really less understood on a wide level. But really, one tissue donor has the ability to help as many as 200 individual patients. So when we speak about tissue donation, it could be something like a heart valve for a valve replacement. It could be a vein for a cardiac bypass surgery. It could be a ligament for a sports medicine injury. There are many, many different applications for the use of allograft tissue in medicine today.
You know, when I first heard about LifeNet Health, I didn't know that there was a difference between organ and tissue procurement, and not many people do. And I think you were telling me there's potentially upward of 200 tissues that can be used to procure for any of the stuff that you just mentioned.
Yeah, absolutely, and that's one of the strengths of LifeNet Health as an organization is our commitment to research and development. And over the years, we've developed many technologies that allow us to use different human tissues in different ways. So when we talk about how many patients can potentially be helped from a donation event, it's really LifeNet Health's ability to apply our in-house developed technologies to those tissues so that we can utilize them in different ways.
Tell me about the research a little bit. What are you guys doing in clinical research? Obviously, you're here at Life Science Innovation Northwest. It's all about research to fuel the industry, to make us all healthier. What are you doing in research?
Yes, just over the last several years, we've always had a very strong commitment to research and development, specifically for technologies associated with bioimplants. But in the last several years, we've been able to identify the need for different technologies that we can push ourselves into cellular therapeutics and different modalities of healthcare as opposed to what we had traditionally done. So in 2012, LifeNet Health opened an Institute for Regenerative Medicine. And that institute is funded through our own foundation work and many of the things that we do internally. And we have a staff of scientists at that facility that are dedicated to really understanding various needs in the healthcare environment and developing innovative technologies to suit those specific needs. Some examples of that technology might be a decellularization platform to provide an open collagen matrix for one procedure or other sterilization technologies that can be used in different capacities. So it is our dedication to research and development is pretty wide-ranging.
How big is LifeNet Health?
As an organization, in terms of employees, we have roughly 800 employees. We have offices across the world, really. We are bi-coastal. Our corporate headquarters is in Virginia. We do have an office here locally in Seattle, but we also have offices in Europe and Asia as well.
So run me through this. I'm a Washington State resident. I get my driver's license. I click organ donation. I've got a heart on my license. Does that mean I'm a tissue donor as well?
Yes, absolutely. And the uniqueness of the registry in the state of Washington grants you online access to your ability and to become an organ and tissue donor. So you can certainly make that decision at the DMV, but that's not the only mode in which you can make that choice. But LifeNet Health at that point would be an organization capable of facilitating the donation and helping you follow through with your wishes to donate tissue upon your death.
Levi, why are you here at Life Science Innovation Northwest? Why attend the conference, and what does this, what does the WBBA mean to an organization like you?
Yeah, for LifeNet Health, this is really a great opportunity to interface with different organizations working in the biotech sector in Seattle. This is such a vibrant biotech community, and unfortunately for us, historically tissue banks aren't thought of as a part of that community. So our desire at this point is to become a bigger part of what the WBBA is doing and what the biotech community in the Seattle area is doing, because we are similarly minded. We have a strong focus on research and development, specifically for cellular therapeutics, and we see a lot of opportunity for collaborations and partnerships on different levels in this area.
If someone wants to partner with you, looking for ways to expand their research through the stuff that you guys do, how do they get a hold of you?
Yeah, easiest way by far is our website, lifenethealth.org. You can connect with me directly through that website, also via email, Levi_Anderson@lifenethealth.org, and you can drop a line to our general inbox at LifeNet Health.
Right. Levi Anderson, who's the general manager of LifeNet Health, thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for being here at Life Science Innovation Northwest.